Okay, this is an early video for me. I'm going to do another guitar build soon, and I'm looking to decide which materials I want to use for this one, which combinations of wood. So I'm going to be filming this process as I build this one, so I wanted anybody interested to participate in their thoughts and comments on what type of wood combinations. I'll get there in a second. I'm going to build this one in a similar design as these two. This one is black flame walnut top on a mahogany body. I have a mahogany neck on this one, and an Indian rosewood fretboard, Graph-Tech nut, stainless steel frets, US components, PAF 59 pickups. This one is a tiger maple, maybe flame maple, on an ash body, and I have a white maple neck, Indian rosewood fretboard, Graph-Tech nut, the whole deal. So it'll look similar to these. What I have here, it's the only body blank that I have, and this is red alder. So 3-piece, it's already glued up. I don't have to worry about that. Two options for the top. One is this burl maple, or is it? Yeah, I think it's burl maple. It's book matched. It's gonna take a little bit of work to get it right. I might do some black epoxy or something if I wind up going with this side of it, but this is really nice. What I had intended for this build was Paduke, also book matched. By the way, I got the body blank and the tops from Exotic Wood Zone. Highly recommended. They always have super high quality stuff. So this was my initial thought. But as I'm looking at the other materials I'm about to share, I'm really thinking this might be the way to go. I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Let's see which side's better. It's all the same on video anyhow. So as far as neck selections go, got this acacia. This may be a little short. I think it's for an acoustic. I might have to do something creative to make this work, but this should work for an electric guitar neck. Honduran mahogany. I've worked with this before. That's what the black walnut guitar has for a neck. Very nice. But I just used that, so I want to try something different. Bird's eye maple. The video doesn't do it justice. This is fantastic looking. I think I'm making my decision as I'm talking about this. And then the last piece I have, sorry about that, is this is another type of maple and I can't recall. It's got the bug holes in it. So I'm really thinking one of these two maples, and I might go with a full light colored combination. Of course I'll stain it, sand it back, bring out the grain, and I'll do some staining on the alder as well, because it's a little bit washed out looking as is. As far as fretboards go, I have two on hand. These fretboards, non-slotted, I got them from StewMac. Super high quality, of course, everything from StewMac is. And I slotted them myself. I'll do another video on that, but in short, I used the StewMac template with the table saw blade, the, I forget, 0.202 kerf. So it's Chechen and ebony. And I'm really starting to lean now toward the bird's eye maple neck with ebony fretboard. Sorry about the noise. Maple top. That might be it. But if you have other thoughts, let me know. I think, I don't want to go too many different kinds of wood, but mahogany with the Chechen neck, fingerboard and maybe the Paduke top. Don't know. That's why I'm asking. Leave your thoughts, leave your comments, and I'll take you along on the build journey once I get the materials figured out. Thank you for watching.